A hotel offers 12 kinds of beverages. Beverages are 5 items, 2 hot items and 3 cold items. The breakfast consists of a sweet and a hot beverage or a hot tiffin. Breakfast consists of a sweet plus hot beverage plus hot tiffin plus cold beverage. Then how many ways the breakfast can be ordered? So, breakfast consists of a sweet and a hot beverage, a sweet and a hot beverage, or a hot tiffin and a cold beverage, a hot tiffin and a cold beverage, or window over a hot tiffin and a cold beverage. Okay. ഒന്നുകിൽ a hot, say a sweet and hot beverage, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ a hot tiffin and cold beverage. How many sweets are there? Sweets are, അപ്പൊ ഇവിടെ നോക്കുക, sweet and hot.
Sir, ഇതിനെ നമുക്ക് ചെയ്യുമ്പം സർ ഈ ഹോട്ട് ബീവറേജ് എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞിട്ടും ഹോട്ട് ടിഫിൻ എന്ന രണ്ട് രീതിയിൽ ചെയ്തിട്ട് ആഡ് ചെയ്തെടുത്താൽ പോലെ.
അങ്ങനെയാണ് ഉദ്ദേശിച്ചത്. ഓർ ഉദ്ദേശിക്കുന്നത് അങ്ങനെയാണ്. ഓറിന്റെ കളറൊക്കെ മാറ്റി വെച്ച് അങ്ങനെ തന്നെയാണ്. കൊള്ളാം, മനസ്സിലാക്കിയത് കൊള്ളാം. സ്വീറ്റും ഹോട്ടും. സ്വീറ്റ് എത്രയാ? 12 kinds of sweets. അപ്പൊ 12 kinds of sweeറ്റും ഹോട്ട് ബിവറേജ്. ഹോട്ട് ബിവറേജ് എത്രയാ? ഹോട്ട് ബിവറേജ് 2 ആണ്. അപ്പോ ഇവിടെ 12 items എടുക്കുമ്പോ ഓരോന്നിനും 2 items ഉണ്ട് അല്ലെ? ഓരോ 12 ഓരോന്നിനും അല്ലെ? ഇങ്ങനെ 12 ഉണ്ട്. 12 ഓരോന്നിനും 2 items ഉണ്ട്. 12 ഓരോന്നിനും 2 items ഉണ്ട്. അപ്പോ ഇവിടെ തന്നെ 12 into 2 ആയി. ചോറ്. നെക്സ്റ്റ് ഹോട്ട് ടിഫിൻ ആൻഡ് കോൾഡ് ബിവറേജ്. ഹോട്ട് ടിഫിൻ എത്രയാ? 10 items ആണ്. ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ഉണ്ട്. 10 kinds of hot tiffins. അപ്പോ കോൾഡ് ബിവറേജ് 3 items അല്ലെ? അപ്പൊ 10 into 3. ഇതിൽ തന്നെ ഈ ഓപ്ഷനിൽ ഇപ്പൊ 2 ഓപ്ഷനാണ് ഉള്ളത്. ഒന്നുകിൽ ബ്രേക്ക്ഫാസ്റ്റിന് സ്വീറ്റ് ആൻഡ് ഹോട്ട് ബിവറേജ്, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഹോട്ട് ടിഫിൻ ആൻഡ് കോൾഡ് ബിവറേജ്. ഇതാണെങ്കിൽ 20 items, ഇതാണെങ്കിൽ 30 items. അപ്പൊ ടോട്ടൽ എത്രയാ? 20 plus 30. അതാണ് ഞാൻ രണ്ടിന്റെ കൂടി ആപ്ലിക്കേഷൻ എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞത് അല്ലെ? Okay, this can be done in
24 plus
12 into 2 plus 10 into 3 plus 10 into 3 is equal to 24 plus 30 is equal to 54 ways. So 54 is the answer. Okay, now we are going to start permutation. What is meaning of permutation? The word meaning of permutation is arrangement. Permutation is arrangement. Permutation is arrangement. Given a collection of n distinct objects, given a collection of n distinct objects, given a collection of n distinct objects, comma, any arrangement ഉദ്ദേശിക്കുന്ന ലീനിയർ അറേഞ്ച്മെന്റ്. സൈക്ലിക് ആകുമ്പോൾ ചെറിയൊരു മാറ്റം വരും. ലീനിയർ അറേഞ്ച്മെന്റ് any arrangement of these objects, any arrangement of these objects is called a permutation, is called a permutation, is called a permutation of the collection. What is permutation? Suppose n items are there, we want to choose r items and we want to arrange these r items. So, there are 10 students in a class, we want to take 5 students and arrange these 5 students for a photo. So, we arrange these 5 students, we first arrange 5 seats for 5 seats, 5 places for these 5 students and arrange these 5 students. How many possible ways are there? How many possible ways are there? How to arrange these 10 students in 5 seats? First we can arrange, there are 5 ways. This is first seat, this is second seat, this is third seat, this is fourth seat and this is fifth seat. We first arrange one student in first seat. That can be done in 10 ways. There are 10 possible ways to arrange one student in first seat. We fix only one student here. Remaining 9 students are remaining. Then we want to choose one of these 9 students for second seat. So there are 9 possible ways, 9 choices, but we fix only one in second seat. Now we want to arrange third seat. How many possible ways are there? Here filling only one person, here filling one person, total 10, remaining 8. So there are 8 possible ways to fit a person in third seat. Next, we want to fit a person in fourth seat. There are 7. ഇവിടെ ഒരാളെ ഫിക്സ് ചെയ്ത് ഇവിടെ രണ്ടാമത്തെ ആളെ ഫിക്സ് ചെയ്ത് ഇവിടെ മൂന്നാമത്തെ ആളെ ഫിക്സ് ചെയ്ത് ഇനി എത്ര ആൾക്കാരുണ്ട്? ഇനി 7 ആൾക്കാരുണ്ട്. 7 there are 7 possible ways to fix a person in fourth seat. So the choice is 7. We fix only one, remaining 6. So there are 6 choices for fifth seat. For filling fifth seat there are 6 choices. So by the rule of product there are 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6, 10 into 9 into 7 into 6 possible ways. ഇത്രയും മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ ഒരു വലിയ നമ്പർ കിട്ടും. അത്രയും that is the final answer. The number എത്ര രീതിയിൽ അവർ അറേഞ്ച് ചെയ്യാനാണ് അല്ലെ? ഇപ്പൊ 10 പിള്ളേരുണ്ട്, 5 പിള്ളേരെ ഒരു ലൈനായിട്ട് നിർത്തിയിട്ട് ഫോട്ടോ എടുക്കണം. അതിൽ എനിക്ക് എത്ര അറേഞ്ച്മെന്റ്സ് പോസിബിൾ ആണ്? 10 into 9 into അല്ലെ 56 6 അല്ലെ? അല്ലെ 3024 ചോയ്സസ്, 3024 പോസിബിലിറ്റീസ് ഉണ്ട്. 10 പേരിൽ നിന്ന് 5 പേരെ സെലക്ട് ചെയ്ത് ഒരു ഫോട്ടോയ്ക്ക് വേണ്ടി പോസ്റ്റ് ചെയ്യിപ്പിക്കാനായിട്ട് 3024 ചോയ്സസ് ഉണ്ട്. That is here we count how many possibilities. Permutation, the meaning of permutation is only arrangement. We want to here we discuss how many permutation, don't how to permute. Here we count the number of permutations. Here we count the number of permutations. എങ്ങനെ പെർമ്യൂട്ട് ചെയ്യുന്നു എന്നുള്ളതല്ല നമ്മുടെ കാര്യം, എത്ര രീതിയിൽ പെർമ്യൂട്ട് ചെയ്യാം എന്നുള്ളതാണ് നമ്മുടെ ഇവിടുത്തെ മെയിൻ അജണ്ട. For example, let's A, B, C are 3 items. The arrangement of the arrangement of the permutations of arrangement, the permutations of all three items are. What are the arrangements? Here A, B, C, this is one arrangement. 2. First A, C, B, this is the second arrangement. 3. B, A, C, this is the third arrangement. 4. B, C, A, this is the fourth arrangement. 5. C, A, B, this is the fifth arrangement. And C, B, A. This one here, all of these six arrangements are distinct. All of these six arrangements are distinct. Here A first, B second, C third. Here A first, C second, B third. Like next B first, C first, C first. Okay. There are six permutations. That is there are six permutations. There are six permutations. When we take three items, we can arrange these three items in 6 ways. That is, we permute all of the letters in 6 ways. We permute all of the letters in 6 ways. Next example. Let A, B, C are 3 items. We can the permutation of the permutation of taking 2 items. We want to permute 2 items. That is, we can fix first A and second B. We can fix first A and second B. We can fix first A and second C. Or we can fix first B and second A. We can fix first B and second C. First C and second A. First C and second B. That is, if you take 3 items and taking 2 items at a time, then there are 6 permutations. So there are 6 permutations. There are 6 permutations. So in permutation, order is very important. There are 6 ways to permute 3 objects taken 2 at a time. So next, we denote PNR or NPR denote the number of permutations. Denote the number of permutations of n objects taken are at a time. Number of permutations of n objects taken are at a time. Number of permutations of n number. This is the number. Listen here. This is the number. NPR, PNR is a number. How many permutations? That denotes NPR or PNR. PNR denotes how many permutations. Result. if there are n distinct objects, if there are n distinct objects, if there are n distinct objects and small r is an integer, and small r is an integer with 1 less than or equal to r less than or equal to n, then the number of permutations of n objects taken r at a time, number of permutations of n objects taken r at a time is denoted by PNR. PNR is equal to n factorial by r factorial into n factorial by n minus r factorial. N factorial by n minus r factorial. That is Cn. The r factorial denominator വന്നാൽ അത് Cn ആയി പോകും. Cnr ആവും. PNR is n factorial by n minus r factorial. This is the result. PNR is n factorial by n minus r factorial. N factorial by n minus r factorial. Yes, how to prove this? We use rule of product. We use the rule of product to form this formula. We already know that. What is n factorial? What is n factorial? 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 into etc. n minus 1 into n. The product of first n natural numbers is n factorial. N factorial. Factorial of n is this. N factorial is 1 into 2 into 3 into etc. n minus 1 into n. So here we write the proof. Actually, permutation means arrangement. We want to permute n objects taken r at a time. That is equivalent to we arrange r n എന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ ആൾക്കാരും r എന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ ആൾക്കാരെന്ന് വിചാരിക്കുക. അല്ല, r എന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ അങ്ങനെയാണല്ലോ. കുറെ ആൾക്കാർ എനിക്ക് ആറ് സീറ്റുകളിലായിട്ട് ഫില്ല് ചെയ്യണം. n ആൾക്കാരുണ്ട്. There are n people and we want to arrange these n people into r seats. This is first seat. This is first position. This is second position. This is third position. This is fourth position, etc. This is rth position. This is fourth position. This is fifth position, sixth, etc. Rth position. We want to arrange n people in r seats. N people in r seats for taking a photo. Anything. We want to arrange n people in r seats. Here very clearly the theorem states that r is less than or equal to n. 1 less than or equal to r less than or equal to n. So how to arrange? How many ways are there? How many possible ways to fill one person in first seat? How many ways to fill one person in first seat? We can select any one of n objects. We can select one person from n choices. We can select n choices in first seat. We have n choices for first seat. Next, we fix only one person here. That is, the remaining n minus m persons are there. We can now we want to fill second seat. How many choices are there? There are n minus 1 choices. We fill only one in first seat, remaining n minus 1 persons there. So we can consider any one of n minus 1 persons for second seat. So second seat is n minus 1 choices. So first seat there are n choices. Second seat there are n minus 1 choices. For taking first and second seat, there are n into n minus 1 choices. There are n into n minus 1 choices to fill first and second seat. Now we fix only one here. So here one, so 1 plus 1, 2 are already filled. So remaining n minus 2 persons are there. For considering third seat, there are n minus 2 choices. So there are first seat n choices, second seat n minus 1 choices, third seat n minus 2 choices. So there are, by rule of product, there are n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 possible ways to fill these three seats. So we fill here only one person. So plus 1, that is 1 plus 1 plus 1. 3 persons are already occupied in first 3 seats. Remaining total n, 3 are left. So remaining n minus 2, n minus 3 choices. N minus 3 persons are there. So here fourth seat there are n minus 3 choices. For fourth seat, that is, here we fill only one person. So for filling first 4 seats, there are n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3 choices. 3 ways. There are n into n minus 1 into n minus 3 into n minus 3 ways to fill first 4 seats. Next, fifth seat, there are n minus here 1, here 1, here 1, here 1. So 4 persons are already occupied, 4 seats are already occupied. Remaining n minus 4 persons, are there. So as far as the sixth seat is concerned, sixth seat is concerned, there are n minus 4 choices. So n minus 4 choices in, here one. For fifth seat there are n minus 4 choices. So n minus 4 choices for fifth seat. So there are n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3 into n minus 4 ways. ഇത്രയും രീതിയിൽ we can fill first 4 seats. Sixth seat ആകുമ്പോൾ എന്താവും? Similarly, sixth seat there are n minus 5 choices. Seventh seat there are n minus 6 choices, etc. First seat there are n choices. Second seat there are n minus 1 choices. Third seat there are n minus 2 choices. Fourth seat there are n minus 3 choices, etc. Arth seat there are n minus r minus 1 choices. First ആകുമ്പോൾ n, second ആകുമ്പോൾ 1, n minus 1, third ആകുമ്പോൾ n minus 2, fourth ആകുമ്പോൾ n minus 3, fourth ആകുമ്പോൾ n minus 3. So arth ആകുമ്പോൾ n minus r minus 1. By rule of product, there are n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into etc. n minus r minus 1 total ways to fill n persons in first r seats. This is the answer. So we want to arrange we want to arrange n items in r places, r positions, that is in area first position, first position, first position, second position, third position, fourth position, etc. Rth position. First position, second position, third position, fourth position, rth position. So there are r positions and n items. We have n choices for first position and we fill only one there, and the remaining n minus 1 choices for second position, n minus 1 choices for second position, both first and second, both first and second, both first and second positions, there are n into n minus 1 choices by the rule of, by product rule, by product rule. Similarly, n minus 2 choices for third position, n minus 2 choices for third position, the first three positions totally have n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 choices. Continuing like this, continuing like this, continuing like this, continuing like this, there are by the rule of product, the number of permutations, the number of permutations of size r for the n objects, are, we denote PNR. PNR is equal to first seatil n choice ഉണ്ട്, second seatil n minus 1 choice ഉണ്ട്, third seatil n minus 2 choice ഉണ്ട്, fourth seatil n minus 3 choice ഉണ്ട്, fourth seatil n minus 3 തേർഡ് സീറ്റിൽ n minus 2 ആണെങ്കിൽ ആർത്ത് സീറ്റിലെ n minus r minus 1 ചോയ്സസ്. What is the product? That is PNR is equal to, it can be simplified as n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 etc. Here n minus r plus 1. So n minus r plus 1. Here for getting a better result, we additionally add here 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 etc. n minus r in numerator, multiplying these items and dividing these items. n minus r etc. 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Listen here, this is 1, next 1 plus 1 2, next 2 plus 1 3, next 3 plus 1 4 etc. n minus r, next n minus r plus 1 etc. up to n. What is the numerator? 1 2 3 etc. up to n. What is the numerator? What is the numerator? What is the numerator? Here we additionally add 1 2 3 etc. n minus r on numerator and 1 2 3 etc. n minus r on denominator. We can easily cut. ഇതിൽ കട്ട് ചെയ്ത് കളയാലോ. സോ മുകളിലത്തെ സ്റ്റെപ്പ് ആയില്ലേ, രണ്ടും സെയിം ആണല്ലോ. സോ what is the numerator? Numerator is 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into etc. n വരെ. What is the product? 1 മുതൽ n വരെയുള്ള ആൾക്കാരുടെ പ്രോഡക്റ്റ് എന്താ? That is n factorial divided by, what is the denominator? 1 2 3 4 etc. n minus r. 1 മുതൽ n minus r വരെയുള്ള ആൾക്കാരുടെ പ്രോഡക്റ്റ് എന്താ? That is n minus r factorial. So this is the number of permutations of n objects taken r at a time by the rule of product. We prove this result using product rule. So this is the theorem. n PNR is r factorial n factorial by n minus r factorial. Okay.